Boomers.
For the flower, man. Might as well. You got a close up on it. Yeah, my peeps. So what? Okay, so this one was the first one to fall off, and then a few weeks later, like time passed, and then this one snapped off. And I understand because of the weight, but overnight everything was fine yesterday, and then I woke up today and look there, and I counted them. There's 20 pads with prickly pears that are snapped off. So I don't know if it was vandalism, one of the fucking neighbors, fucking haters, or it was simply nature, you know, on their own. But to me, this doesn't seem like it was nature. Like, it seems like either one of the fucking neighbors did that shit on purpose, like intentionally. But there's pads way the fuck over there. Alright, let me borrow it, Brittany. So I can record too. Alright, so I'm gonna go inside, my peeps. Look, so look, we lost right here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 8. So that's 13 prickly pears. And right here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And look, so you see? Look, and I haven't not touched here. I'm just going in here so we could get a close-up. But look how many prickly pads snapped off. Look. Look how many prickly pears we lost. Look. Look. This one snapped off. Look. Barely hanging on. Look. Look at this one, the color one snapped off. Look. Look how many prickly pears we lost. And I don't think this was normal, dude, because it would do them one pad at a time. But look. More prickly pears right there. Look, this one snapped off right here. So like all we have is these. No, yeah, man, my piece. This is fucking devastating. And look, more of them that snapped off over there. All of these, those are edible and juiceable. Look, another red one right here. These were really ripening up. They didn't even get a chance to finish. Look, another one that snapped off. Look, another prickly pear in the floor. Another one that was ripening up. So I don't know, my peeps, if this was just because of its load, meaning that it was too heavy and they snapped off, or the fucking neighbors, bitch ass motherfucking evil, selfish, inconsiderate, ignorant fucking neighbors did it. I don't know. Look, this one snapped off. It's just dangling. So we just lost pretty much 75% of our prickly pears. This one got stabbed. Look. But yeah, I'm like right here, right next to it. Look, See, I'm inside now. So, yeah, my peeps, we lost our prickly pears, man. There's dirt. This is unusual. Yeah, you know something? I got a feeling somebody came. They didn't come in, but either with a stick through the fence outside. They must have poked this, or from the neighbors. Either way, but because it's not a much distance. This is like pretty close to the prickly, to the cactus plant. But yeah, look at all the ones that snapped off. So man, my peeps, we had abundance. We had a shit ton of prickly pears. Now we only have a few. Like you could literally count them all. Probably got like 20 of them left. Less. But that's what I mean, my peeps. That's why society is shit, man. This community is shit. Yeah. But you know something? Like I said, this is all temporary, dude. All these fucking neighbors, they're stuck here, dude. They're stuck here. I have options. I could get the fuck out of the United States, you know, and live for free. But these dumbasses, they're stuck, man. They're gonna fucking spend the rest of their life rotting in here. They could stay in the ghetto. They could stay in the hood. They could keep this shit. I don't want it. Don't need it. Well, there you go, my peeps. I lost my prickly pears. Fucking lost them. Some people don't even know what they are. Oh wells. I don't think this is nature, but if it was, I accept it. If it wasn't, fuck the person and the people who fucking did this shit. They're gonna fucking rot in hell. Literally, which is right here. In the fucking hood with the stupid little concentration camp houses. Alright then, my peeps. Laters.